So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can open My Computer on Windows 11. So there are three ways to open My Computer on your Windows 11 PC. First, through keyboard shortcut. Press Windows plus E key on your keyboard and this will open My Computer on your Windows 11 PC. Second, through Start menu. Press Windows key on your keyboard. Now here type Explorer. Now you will see File Explorer. Press Enter. And this will open it. And the last, through this PC icon on your desktop. But for this, you need to add the icon to your desktop. For this, right click on your desktop. Click on Personalize. Now here click on Themes. Now here click on Desktop icon settings. Now here check Computer. And click on Apply. Then click on OK. Now close this window. Now you will see this PC icon on desktop. Open it. And this will open this PC on desktop. So these are all the ways to open this PC on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.